Good evening, students. Am I audible? Sorry for the delay in the class. Actually, I was stuck in the traffic jam, so due to that, I was not able to take the class on the time. Okay, but now I am at home, so we'll continue the topics. I think yesterday we were doing the profit and loss, not profit and loss, percentage. Just give me a moment. I'm sharing the window with you. Okay, so I think this was the question which we were doing in yesterday's class. So I'm giving you 2 minutes. So try to solve this one. Then we'll go for the detailed solution of this. Let me check am I audible or not, because you haven't answered in the chat box. So let me check. Hello, hello. Okay, time up for the question. I hope you have solved it. Let's check. So in a village, 60% are male, in which 62/3% males are above 60 years. So let's say total are 100. total population of that village will be 100. Out of that 100, 60% are male. So if 60% are male, so females will be 40%. Yes or no? Now, 6 2 by 3% males are above 60 years. 6 2 by 3. It is not 62 by 3. It is 6 2 by 3. Poonam is saying 12,000. Okay, let's check Poonam. So it will be 6 into 20 by 3 into 1 upon 100, which is 1 by 15. So it means out of this, 1 by 15 are above 60 years. So those are 4. These are greater than 60 years. In remaining, so what are the remaining, guys? 56 are remaining now. These are the remaining. So in remaining, 14 2 by 7. Guys, 14 2 by 7. It is 1 by 7. So what will be 1 by 7 of this? That is 8. So these 8 are below 18 years. So these are less than 18. Now out of remaining, so if you check 56 minus 8, that will be, I think, 48. Yes or no? So 48 are, sorry, out of remaining, na? Out of remaining, 62 1 by 2. So what is 62 1 by 2? So this is 5 by 8. So I'm using a different pen now because I require it. So 5 by 8. 8 will cancel the 6 time. So 30. And remaining are 18. So these 30 are above 18. So greater than 18. But less than 50. Okay. I mean, these are greater than 18 but less than 50. And remaining are above 50 years but below 60. So remaining mean these 18. So greater than 50 but less than 60. So this is the distribution here. I hope all of you have done this. Total were 100. Out of 100, 60% are male, 40 female. Out of 60, 6 2 by 3% are the male, which are above 60 years. Then remaining, out of remaining, so you subtract 60 minus 456. So out of remaining, 1/7, which is 14 2 by 7. These are the male which are less than 18 years. And now remaining, which are 48. So remaining are 48. So this will be how much? Sorry, 62 1 by 2%. So 5 by 8 of this. This will be 30. So these 30 are greater than 18 but less than 50. Now remaining 18. These are greater than 50 but less than 60 years. Now you got this one. Now difference between males above 60 years and male above 18 years but below 50 years are 7,800. So you need to find this. Males above 60 years, these are 4. And males above 18 years but below 50 years. So these 30. So what is the difference between these two? So difference is 26, guys. But question is saying this 26 is equals to how much? This is 7,800. So how much time this is? 300 time. How much time? 300 time this is. If this is 300 time, so find the total population of female in the village. So this will be 300 as well. So we'll be getting 12,000. Very good. Poonam got it right. Very good, Poonam. You are doing good. Okay. Is there anyone who has any doubt in this? Okay, then let's go for the next two. Yes, do you got this? Time up. Let's start now. Rakesh added 12% of his salary in PPF, 3/8 of the remaining amount is spent on clothes, and so on. Okay, so let's say total is 100. So out of 100, 12% is PPF. So remaining is 88. Now 3/8 of this, which is 33. This will be on clothes. So what is the remaining? 55. And this remaining amount is distributed in two parts. One is house rent and second one is the others. Question saying the difference between PPF and clothes is how much? That is 10,500. So, okay, 10,500 is the difference here. What is the difference between these two? So, 3 minus 2, that is 1. 3 minus 1, that is 2. So, 21 is this. So, it means 1 is 500. And if 1 is 500, so this will be 55 into 500. That is 27,500. So this is the remaining one. Now this is total of HR plus others, house rent plus other. And one more thing, house rent minus others is 5,500. Now you know HR plus others is 27,500 and this is 5,500. So now add these two, this will be cancelled out. So twice of house rent is equals to, this is 0, 0, 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 is carry, 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 1, 13, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So house rent will be half of this, which is 17,500, which is not in the option. Poonam, what you got? You got the same or something else? Oh, sorry, my bad. Okay, I got it, my mistake. This is not 1,500, guys. This is what? This is, 1,500. This is not 5,500. So you need to add these two actually. So it will be 29,000. Yes or no? 10,500 PPF and clothes. So you got the difference 21. So this was 27,500. 27,500 is this house rent minus others. Guys, I have made a mess here and this was like this. Others minus house rent is 1,500. It is clearly mentioned here. House rent is 1,500 less than other. So other minus house rent should be 1,500. No? So now subtract minus plus, this will be minus. So other gets cancelled out. Now twice of house rent will be equals to. So this will be 0, 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 1, 6, thus. So house rent will be 13,000. How much will be it? C option, 13,000. So in the end, it was little bit tricky part here. So read the line carefully. It was house rent expenses is 1,500 less than the other expenses. So then what is the house rent expenses? So you can find easily. So I hope you got it. Okay, go for next one. Okay, go for this question. So Ruchi's monthly salary is 60,000. She spent 12,000 on education of her child and X on house rent. Further, she spent 1/7 and 1/6 of remaining amount on food and shopping needs, and remaining is okay. Scheme then okay. So let's say 60,000 is the total, na? It is already given. So 12,000 gone. Now what is the remaining? 48,000. Okay. And out of this 48,000, how much is left? Okay, do one thing, yes. Out of this, total amount is spent this. This was on education and X on house rent. This is the house rent. What should be the remaining? So you'll say, so remaining is 48,000 minus X. Yes or no? Because 60,000 minus 12,000 minus X will give you this 48,000 minus X. This is the remaining one. Now she spent 1/7 and 1/6 of remaining amount on food and shopping needs and remaining 29,000 invested in some scheme. Okay. So 1/6 of this and 1/7 of this. That is spent. So you can directly, in fact, add these two. 1/6 plus 1/7. What is this? This is 13/42. So you can say, so 13/42 of this 48,000 minus X has been spent. So how much is left then? So obviously 42 minus 13. So if you check this, I think this will be 29. So 29 divided by 42. This will be the remaining one. Yes or no? Of what? Of 48,000 minus X. And that should be equals to what? That should be equals to 29,000. Now you can cancel out the common. 29 will cancel this. So 48,000 minus X is 42,000. So what should be the value of X? X should be 6,000. So option number D is correct. Yes, Poonam, very good. 6,000 is the correct answer. Let's go for the next one. So recharge science test contain 85 from three sections A, B, and C. 10 from A, 30 from B, and 45 from C. Although she answers 70% of A, so 70% means 7. 50% of B, so mean 15. And 60% of C. So 60% of this 3 by 5. 5 will cancel this 9 times, mean 27. So 10, 30, and 45. Total were 85. And here how much she has solved? 22. 49 questions solved. She did not pass the test because she got less than 60% of the total marks. How many more questions she would have to answer correctly to earn 60% of the marks, which is the passing grade? So 60%. So how many more questions? So just do one thing, na. What will be 60% of 85? Find out that. So 85 into 3 by 5. 5 will cancel this how much time? 17 time. 17 into 3, 51. So how many more questions she required to answer? So obviously 2 more questions. 49 plus 2, 51, na? So at 51 she will pass. So it means 2 more questions are required. So answer for this question will become 2. Clear? Let's go for the next one. Okay, guys, what is the answer for this? There are total 80 boys in the class, 40 number of boys who are present in a class, and number of boys on. Mhm. Okay. Total student are 80. 40 number of boys who are present in the class. These are the present boys. And number of boys who are not present in the class are 4 less than the number of girls who are not present in the class. So not present boy and not present girl. The difference is 4. If number of girls who are present in the class are 66% more than number of girls who are not present in the class. So present girls ratio non-present girls. What will be it? 66% more than the not present. So let's say, what is 66%, guys? 1 by 6, sorry, 2 by 3. So if these are 3, so these will be 5. So present girls are, let's say, 5x, so this will be 3x. Find out the total number of girls in the class. And what is this non-present? Guys, listen up now. Out of 80, so 40 girls are, guys, give me 1 minute. 40, so 80 minus 40, so remaining are 40. Now these 40 include present girls, non-present girls, non-present boys. Yes or no? So present girl 5x, non-present girl 3x, and here non-present girl are 3x, so non-present boys will be 3x minus 4. So here it will be 3x minus 4 non-present boy, and that should be equals to 40. So it will be how much? 8, 6 plus 5, 11x is equals to 44. What is the value of x? X is 4. Now when x is 4, so you can find any number. This will be 20 and this will be 12, and this will be 12 minus 4, which is 8. So question is, find the total number of girls in the class. So total number of girls will be 11x, which is how much, sir? 44. So these 44 are the total number of girls in the class. Hmm. Sorry, my mistake. 8x na, 8x. So it will be 32. So 32 will be the girls here. Clear? Any doubt in this? Let's go for the next one. Okay, so I have given the time to solve you this question. There are two villages X and Y. Female in village X and Y are equal. Males in village Y are 25% less than village in X. So if females in village Y reduce by 50%, males in 50. Okay, go for this. Tell me what should be the answer here. Okay, guys, time up. There are two villages X and Y. Females in village X and village Y are equal. Okay, village X and Y. Males in village Y are 25% less than village X. So 25% less. This is 1.4. When in village X, male are 4. So in village Y, village will be male will be 3. You can write male X, female X, male Y, female Y. So let's say these are 3x. Oh, sorry. This is 4x. So this is 3x. And female are equal. Let's say female is Y here. So female will be Y here. This is given initially. This is the first case. Okay. Now next one. After this, what happens? If female in village Y reduce by 50% and males in village Y become 50% more than village X, then population of village Y remains same. Now what is saying? Female in village Y reduced by 50%. So if it is reduced by 50%, so it will be how much? Now y by 2. Y minus y by 2. So now new is left. Y by 2. And males in village Y become 50% more than that of village X. 50% more than this. So what will be 50% of this? So 2x. Village Y become 50% more than this, na? Of village Y. 50% more than that of village X. And males in India become 50% more than village. Okay, so males become 6x actually here. This is 2x more, na? So 4 plus 2, this is 6x. So males become 6x. And question is saying, then the population of village Y remains same. It means, what is the population initially? That was 3x plus y. That should be equals to 6x plus y by 2. Now, this will go to this side, so it will be 3x. And this y by 2 comes to this side, so it will be y by 2. So from here you can write x by y is 3 by 2. Sorry. X by y is 1 by 6 actually. 1 by 6. So x is 1, y is 6. So ratio of population of village X and village Y. So if you want to find this, so this is the population 4x plus y. So 4 into 1, y is what? Y is 6. So this become 10 in X. What about Y? So 6x, which is 1, y by 2, and 6 by 2, that is 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So 10 ratio 9, option number D is correct. Should I repeat this thing or is it clear? Go for this. In a company, male employees are 70% of total employees. 40% of okay, 40% of males are working with the company for more than 2 years. Rest joined after that. Total 51 employee company more than 2 years. It's 2 years. Okay, good question. Give me the answer for this. Okay, so what is the answer here? In a company, male employees are 70% of total employees. So let's say total are 100. So out of 100, 70 are male. Female will be 30. Okay. Now 40% male are working with company for more than 2 years. 40% mean 28. So greater than 2 years. Rest 70 minus 28, which is 42. These are less than 2 years. So now total 55% employees in the company are working for more than 2 years. So 55% of this is easy then. 55. Find the percent of female who joined the company in last 2 years. So out of 55, 28 are male here. So 55 minus 28. I think this should be 27. So 27 females are there which have 2 years, more than 2 years experience. So how much is left, guys? 3. So these 3 have experience less than 2 years. So 3 by 100. So it will be 30%. 3%. So answer for this question become 3%. Done. Let's go for the next one. Okay, time up. So income of A and B are in the ratio 2:3. Ratio of amount of bill paid by them is in 1:2. Both spend 10% of their income in purchasing grocery. Difference between their remaining amount is 8,000. If bill amount paid by A is 25% of his income, find the income paid by B on the bill. So do one thing, guys. Take this as your homework. Okay. And we're gonna start from this particular thing in the next class. Okay. This week you have classes till Saturday. So we're gonna start the next topic as well. Okay. So be ready with this. Consider this to be a homework. I hope you have noted down this on your notebook. If you haven't, I'm giving you 2-3 minutes. Just note down this and we'll discuss in the next class. Okay, Poonam, I'm ending the class here. Okay, thank you so much. Tomorrow we'll meet at the 7:30 p.m. Till then, thank you so much. Good